Hi guys, so today we will be finding the 6 trig functions which include the reciprocals. So first let's start off with drawing a right triangle. Let me redo that. Now we'll label this side 3, 4, and 5, and we'll label this angle A, B, and C. Now, when finding trig functions, something that helps a lot is the saying SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Okay. So the S in SAW stands for sine. So today we will be finding the sine of angle A. So then that would be sine of angle A. Now the O stands for opposite and the H stands for hypotenuse. So the opposite of angle A is right here. So that would be 4. Let me try this. And the hypotenuse is always the longest side of a triangle, so it would be 5. And it's always the opposite of the 90 degrees of a right triangle as well. So then it would be opposite over hypotenuse, which equals 4 over 5. Now, finding cosine of angle A. Cosine. Let me change it to a different color. Cosine of angle A, it would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So now we know the hypotenuse is already 5 from this. Now the adjacent of angle A is always the angle the side next to the angle. So there's 2 lines, but we know that this line is the hypotenuse, so it'd have to be 3. And then 3 would be 3 would be adjacent to cosine A. Now for TOA, sorry, the T stands for tan. So we will find the tangent of angle A. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. So since we already found sine and cosine, we know that the opposite is 4. Sorry. The opposite is 4. And the adjacent is 3. So then it would be 4 over 3. Now, the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. So cosecant of angle A would be the opposite of sine. And since sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosecant of A would be hypotenuse over opposite. So then it would be 5 over opposite of angle A, which is 4. So 5 over 4. And as you can see, 5 over 4 is reciprocal of 4 over 5. Now, the reciprocal of cosine is secant, which we write like this. So secant of angle A is a reciprocal of cosine, so then it would be hypotenuse over adjacent. So we just do the reciprocal of 3 over 5, so then that would be 5 over, so then that's 5 over 3. Now, going on to the reciprocal of tangent, the reciprocal of tangent would be cotangent. So cotangent of A equals to the reciprocal of opposite over adjacent, so then that would be adjacent over the opposite. So then that would be 3 over 4, which is the reciprocal of 4 over 3.